Okay, in this video I'm gonna try to add a text to this surface here on my body. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click on this face and I'm gonna use new sketch, and maybe I could just adjust the view orientation like that, and I'm gonna go to my text. When I just press on my text here, you can just see that I can move it anywhere. So let's say from here and until here. Then I have here the label of my text. Let's say I'm gonna write on super, and then the height maybe 50 or maybe 60. Okay, now we have the stretch factor if you just want to stretch it or just keep it at the normal state. And then we have our fonts here, so you can just use any font you want it. So let's say I'm gonna select this one, and maybe I can now just up the scale a little bit, maybe 70. Now from here I can just right click and my sketch is ready to use. Now I can just select my instruction line of my text and move it wherever I need that smoothly. Okay, so let's say I'm just gonna center it right here, and from this tab I can right click, extrude, and here is my extrusion of my sketch. Maybe I just make it like 10 millimeters or something and accept it. So you got this nice angle extrude. Can also actually create something like an offset here, so I can import this face as a reference, and I'm going to select my edges and I can offset this, so like left handed side and just a little bit like this, and explode to curves. Let's just turn these to normal entities instead of construction, so we have the icon here, new construction. And from this step I can select my face here, right click, and I can extrude it. So let's say I'm gonna make something like this, maybe 6 millimeters also. Accept. Now you go. So that was a quick video showing how you can use text feature.